In this video, we are going to be looking at how to install POS with inventory management system. Example of this kind of script is POS LY. Let's look at some of the features of the script. Dynamic dashboard, user-friendly POS, product management, quotations and sales, purchase management, returns management, and some other features. So after purchasing the script, we will go straight to our cPanel. So from my cPanel, I go to my file manager. From my file manager, I go to the subdomain I will be using for this testing purposes, which is this. I've already uploaded my script. Now I'm going to extract it. Extract files. So next I'm going to close this. Open the extracted file. I'm going to select all the content in it. Then I'll move them to the root folder. Move files. At the end of this video, I'm going to show you an example of the script I developed from scratch. It's an e-commerce script. So which is pointing to you that I can help you to create your application, either being e-commerce, school management system, or your web application, or mobile application. Just use the engagement link in the description to engage me to help you develop your app. Then next I'm going to click on back. Now let me copy my subdomain name, open a new tab, paste it there. Then click on enter. All is well. So next I click on next step. Okay, this is correct. Because we are on production. The name is POSLY. Debug first. Okay, then I click on next step. Now I will go back to my cPanel, then my data, to create my database to fix this. So let me go back to my cPanel. I'm going to database. So let me name my database as POSLY database. I click on create database. Database created successfully, so that's why I click on go back. After creating my database, I'm going to create my user. Let me name my user as POSLY database user. Then I click on create user. User created successfully, so I click on go back. Next, after creating my user successfully and my database successfully, I'm going to add the user to the database. Okay, select when it was created. Here is it, the one I just created. Click on add. Give all privileges so you don't to make changes. Success, all privileges given successfully. So let me copy my username. Database name, username. Okay. Yes. Next I click on test connection. Success. So next I click on next step. Application debug. Okay. Next I click on confirm. setup complete. Click here to go back to get back to your app. So I click on this place. Now I've successfully installed my script. From here I can now log in. Please don't forget to share, like, share and subscribe to my channel. As I said earlier, at the end of the video I will show you a sample demo I developed from scratch myself, which is an e-commerce site. Use it. You can log in and register here. These are the product sample demo products. You can look at all the products here. If I click on shop, it's going to bring all the products in the app or all the products in the shop. After that, so these are the products in the shop. You can click on categories to see the categories. For example, now I can see the product description of this, article, the quantity, the one you may like, which are related to this. So kindly use the engagement link in the description to engage me to help you develop your app, either your web application, your web software, or your mobile software, which is also known as the mobile application. Kindly use the engagement link. Thank you. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.